Ready to inject some serious style and professionalism into your videos with a super easy trick? Let's dive into creating those eye-catching cinematic bars right here in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, start by opening your project and selecting the video clip you want to add the cinematic bars to. Next, head down to your timeline and make sure your sequence is selected. Now, go to your project panel and find the new item option from the option. Select color matte here. Set your color matte to solid black when prompted. Name it cinematic bar. Click OK. Drag the recently created cinematic bar to your timeline above your video clip. We will now go to create the cinematic bar. Select the Effects tab and search for Video Effect, then use the Shape tool. Now in your program monitor, click and drag out a rectangle shape to be your top bar. Adjust the width by dragging the sides of the shape. The more exact it is, the more professional your final product looks. Next, move the shape into the top of your video and set it perfectly. Now right-click and copy. Then paste it to make our second bar. Once the second bar is added, use the Move tool to slide your second bar to the bottom of the video as needed. And there you have it. Your video is now enhanced with professional cinematic bars. Experiment with different colors, sizes, and animation effects to truly make this your own. Don't forget to save your project.